So in this module, we are going to talk about how you can monitor your Exadata storage server via the metrics, via the alert, via the active request. So let me share you my Exadata box, which will give you the idea. So what I am doing here, I am using my SSH connections to communicate to my Exadata box. To save my time, I copy paste and my password for the particular cell admin I have connected. Then I can call the my cell CLI command. So once CLI command you come, then you are able to monitor all the metrics and you can observe your list of metrics. So let me show you list metric definition. So it will show you the list of every metrics you have. Okay, typo list. So list metric definition will show each and every metrics for your box. If you can see here, so each component they are showing the alert, threshold, metrics, what is set for your environment. Got it? And then if you want to see for the specific, that is also possible. So for that, what we have, we use list matrix definition, same command with the details. So it will show you in the detail analysis for those metrics with the more comprehensive information you can choose for the metrics. Similar way, you can use the where condition to view the information about the specific metrics. That is possible here. So this we can use like this. After that, what we can do, we are able to execute my list metrics to view my most current metric observation. So the current is saying about the current status of my metrics. So those information you can get with the current utilization, what is happening in your environment. Then here also you are able to use the condition as per your convenience. You are able to use the condition. So particular condition based, you can check and you can observe your subset of the particular metrics, the fan speed, iota mode. So those all you are able to monitor as per your convenience. Then for the specific metrics, if you want, like I'm checking my cell image, so that you are able to check from the CL method. So here you are able to get all the list numerical CL metrics, you are able to find it. Similar way, you are able to determine is there any metrics that are currently in my abnormal state. So normally you should not expect any output from this command because my cell is working fine. If there is any issue, then you are able to get it. So as I said, you will not get anything. And here you can see the current space utilization on my root cell system, which is not reported to utilization value because you need a value for further demo. So I can use like that way condition. So you can see only my CLFUT use 21%. So list metrics command will show you the history of the metrics and then you are able to use it accordingly. Alter cell command you are able to use. So those all will be possible. If you want to any abnormal state during your retention period, so for that you have a alert state which can be used here with the normal. So let me see the metric history where alert state is normal. Similar way, you are able to see the all the list history command. It is checking the all the history. If you don't want, you can close it and you are able to do. So not taking the time, I check the list alert history. So if any history is there, then you can get it. Same way, you are able to drop the alert history. From here, you can drop the alert history all. So as of now, we don't have history. That's why you got the message, no alert qualified for this drop option. And same way, you can get your threshold to your list threshold. So you are able to use your list threshold. You are able to create the warning threshold for your utilization. And accordingly, you can get the warning as well. So I have put the threshold warning for 22%. And then I am firing the threshold details, what I have. So it will show my the current threshold. Similar way you are able to use for the other. So let me exit from this session. Now in the shell operating system, we can create 1 GB file onto root file system, which will increase the my utilization of metrics. And once the metrics cross the my threshold value, which I have set the 22%, then we will see the alert. So let me go for this. File out, and then we can give. So I'm just writing the data over there. No changes at all. It is writing the data on my cell. Okay, written. And now I can again log into the my cell CLI. And now my threshold limit has crossed, if you can see. So we have used 129 MB. So let me log in and check it. What is my alert history? Am I getting any alert history or not? So I am able to check my alert history. And now you can see, so my current value 24%. That means which is above my threshold value. That's why you are getting the alert. Similar way, you are able to see the details of the alert. So we can check the alert history details. Got it. And then after that, we can modify the alert. And we are saying, okay, we have identified and we have done it. So whoever is as a student, so you are going to give the alert history. And then if now you can see the alert history details, so it will give you the information with the alert that are extended by the attribute. Got it? So who did it? So examined by a student, you can observe. Similar way, we are able to do with the various thing. So let me exit from here, and then I'm just deleting the file which we have created into the previous thing. Make sure don't delete any other file. So that's why the cell you are able to do. And then again I am going with the my cell list. So cell command, and then I can see the my list metric calculation. And this will happen sometimes you will get a older value, so you have to rerun that query again if it is not correct. Now I can re-execute my list history, and then you can see that my alert history will show it is a clear. Got it? Then we can go for the my details determination for the alert. The list alert history detail, I'm able to do it. You can able to monitor, you can able to do it. No problem at all. And then you are able to establish the separate connections for the IO request. So let me go and start my new session where I can get the more details about it. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm just establishing as a new connection. So for that, I can create another terminal. Let me open the new terminal. And in this terminal, I am going to execute the again Oracle login. I am login. I log into that, and then I can set my database environment. Typo. Oh shit. Oda environment. Okay. Instead of V, I am placing on G. And this is my DBM. Here I can use my export for the particular instance, which instance I want to monitor. So I can use Oracle SID, and which is I am connecting. So I am connecting with the DBM 1. Okay, and then I can log in with my SH user. So I am forcing my parallel DML operation from the SH users. Let me put it little bit more size so you can get the idea. Okay. Below is the micelle command, so just overlapping, just I can do like this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here, so this one, the connection is done. I am putting my parallel session. So alter session force parallel for my DML operation. And once we did it, I'm able to update my script. How I can do, I did it, I'm giving my script path. So it will take time. Meanwhile, we can continue with the next step for and then we can see here on the list. Okay, this is done. So let me re-update the query so we can get the idea what is happening over there. It will take a couple of minutes. So let me delete, and then I can execute. And at the same time, once I am executing, I can go for my cell and I can do it with the fast way. Because it's in parallel operations, I cannot do anything over there. And then I can use IO grid and other things because due to the parallel, If anything is required, we are able to use it. Here my transaction is done. If it is not done, then it should be like that. So let me commit it. And then I can run again my transaction. So, and here I can do it. And now if I can see under my SQL prompt, so you can notice these many rows has updated. Got it? And finally we are able to commit the data. Once we have committed data, then we are able to fire the query which will give me the status. So let me run that. So it give me the status for my table space which is used for SH, and then I can get the details over there for the $SQL. So activity request, I can see I am able to use it or not. Let me copy it. So that my query update customers that I have done, that is there, and that's for this demo. Let me exit from here. I hope you got the idea. Okay. The Exadata cell storage, that's for the demo. It can be monitored from OEM as well.